All right, I've got a good, well-operating Exmark Lazer Z HP here. This is a commercial unit with a 48-inch fabricated deck, foot deck height adjustment, reinforced steel. It is missing a caster wheel there. Doesn't affect anything really, but wanted to point it out. It's got the big front casters along with the wide stance and big front or big back tires also, along with the heavy-duty separate pump and drive system in here. So it's got the pumps and drives. Very quick unit if you've ever driven one. It's got a 25 horsepower Kohler Command Pro with the overhead breather, dual fuel tanks, nice oversized comfortable seat that's not cracked out or falling apart or anything. I'll fire this thing up. It's got just over 1,300 hours if I remember right. Yep, 1349. Oh, gotta have the e-brake on. I'll idle it down for you. Motor runs real smooth. No knocking or smoking or anything it shouldn't be doing. Rev it up. Release this e-brake. Probably need to lower that deck a little bit. There we go. Engage the blades. This thing's got a really high blade tip speed. That's great. On these units. Idle it back down. That locks this up automatically. Nice heavy duty commercial grade unit here.